just landed in San Francisco and we just checked in our hotel. So right now we are getting ready. I need to put on my makeup and start exploring the city. Today we are going to the Golden Gate Bridge, the colorful houses, to take some more pictures, and I hope I can fly my drone and take some cool clips. We'll see you later. Bye! So our first stop is the Painted Ladies, a row of Victorian-style houses, one of the most photogenic locations in San Francisco. If you watched the TV show in the early 90s, Full House, you'll recognize these houses in the background in the opening intro. If you are in San Francisco, don't miss the new Instagram dessert darling Cruffin at Mr. Holmes Bakehouse. Cruffin is actually croissant baked like muffins and filled with special flavor of sweet cream. It's really delicious. Finally, we made it to the Golden Gate Bridge. The weather was awesome and I found this perfect spot called the Battery Spencer, where you can see the whole bridge really close and take good photos. From the bottom, you need to do a 15 minutes hike to this location, but believe me, the hike was totally worth it. Next is this really cute cafe called Media Noche. In here, you'll see the Tiffany blue color, the plants, and the artistic floor. The cafe is renowned for their Cuban sandwich and margarita. The shrimp ceviche we ordered was really bomb too. Lastly, if you like arts and graffiti walls, don't forget to stop by the Clarion, where you'll see fun arts. It's actually a very short lane and you can finish in about 20 minutes. After that, don't forget to walk to the ice cream place called Bi-Rite Creamery. I'm not sure if I pronounced their name correctly, but their ice cream is really delicious. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy our San Francisco vlog. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. That means a lot to me, and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to turn on the notifications so you don't miss my new videos. Thank you guys. I'll see you next time.